Now Shankar Ghosh is reviving quickly because he has some shoulder injury, and but the situation of I think Khagen Murmu is not so well. Till now he is facing some problems, especially having difficulties in talking. So you know that his one facial bone has been broken by the stone pelted by the TMC worker and TMC goons. So doctor has requested for a long rest, at least 1 month of rest with little bit of speaking. So that kind of rest has been suggested by the doctors of this hospital, and I have already read out the medical bulletin, some portion of the medical bulletin, and that will be available with you also. So I think it will take almost 4 to 6 weeks for recovery. No, see, this law and order is the matter of state government. So obviously we can't do anything till at this point. But if such a situation remains, then we have to move to court. We have to move to court for the CBI inquiry so that investigation can be done. And most importantly, the person who has been attacked by TMC goons, that person belongs to ST family. He belongs to scheduled tribe. So I think the Scheduled Tribe Act, the SC/ST Atrocity Act should be imposed on those people, those who have attacked Khagen Murmu.